Hi guys, in today's video I am going to discuss some important current affairs questions with you. So please watch my full video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start. So today's first question is, which country successfully phased out of the most potent ozone depleting substance HCFC 141b? कौन सी देश सक्सेसफुली, किस देश ने सक्सेसफुली इस ओजोन डिप्लेटिंग सब्सटेंस HCFC 141b से सक्सेसफुली बाहर निकल पाया है? कौन सा कंट्री? सो हेयर द ऑप्शंस आर: ऑप्शन ए चाइना, ऑप्शन बी जापान, ऑप्शन सी इंडिया एंड ऑप्शन डी पाकिस्तान. So here I repeat my question. Which country successfully phased out of the most potent ozone depleting substance HCFC 141b? And here the options are: option number A China, option number B Japan, option number C India and option D Pakistan. So here the correct answer is option C India. Yes, India has successfully phased out of this most potent ozone depleting substance HCFC 141b. How? India has banned the import of this substance in 1 January 2020. Okay, so India has banned the import of ozone depleting substance, most potent ozone depleting substance HCFC 141b on January 1, 2020. So now India has successfully phased out of this substance. Okay, so today's second question is, who launched 1 trillion trees initiative? Who launched 1 trillion trees initiative? And here the options are: option A WEF, option B UN and option C US. I repeat my question. Who launched 1 trillion trees initiative? Options are WEF, option B UN and option C US. So here the correct answer is option A WEF. World Economic Forum has launched 1 trillion trees initiative to grow and conserve and restore more and more trees in whole world by 2030. It has a mission of growing, conserving and restoring total 1 trillion trees in the whole world by 2030. Okay. So today's third question is, every year on which date Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary is celebrated? And here the options are: option A 21st January, option B 22nd January, option C 23rd January and option D 24th January. Here I repeat my question. Every year on which date Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary is celebrated? And here the options are: option A 21st January, option B 22nd January, option C 23rd January and option D 24th January. So here the correct answer is 23rd January. Every year, 23rd January is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I hope you like this video, and if you are searching for jobs, then you must visit Trust Logic. Trust Logic is one of the best sites to get jobs. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.